There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now,
What's up, you guys? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up? What's up? What's up? Girl, you know what time it is? It is my first wig time. Girl, I love a good curly wig, especially this about to be a wig that I didn't have to do anything but wash it, okay? First of all, let's just get straight to this. I hope you guys are having a beautiful day, an amazing day, a blessed day, staying out the way, getting your work done, enjoying the sun, taking in this heat. Cool child. Don't let me have to repeat. Yes. Anyway, you guys, I hope you all have like an amazing day. It's hot outside. I do plan on staying indoors, honey. Okay, so I really don't wear a wig all day, every day. Not really too much. My hair has grown back. You know what I'm saying? It gets in that phase where it's like in between. So like you have to find like the right product for your hair. Like, and you could use that product and really like it. And then after a while, you realize this just wasn't for you. That's how I'm starting to feel about one particular product in my hair. But that's not about this video. Girl, okay, y'all already know my first wigs be coming through. Then the sister company RPG show. Okay, so if you a wig wearer, you love wigs, you like wigs, you just be putting up with wigs, girl, get in the know and get you a My First wig. If this your first time wearing a wig and you don't even know where to begin, the first spot to go to is myfirstwig.com. Check them out. I'm pretty sure you will have your platter full of wig choices. These are definitely beginner friendly, and you don't even have to be a beginner, girl. You could be an old school wig wearer like myself. I've been wearing wigs for like 16 years now. And when I first started wearing wigs, you ever look back at your old pictures
And you just be like, why? Why did I go outside like that? Why did I think that was cute? Why didn't somebody say something to me? Why my kids let me go outdoors looking like that? What made me think that I thought that whole getup was really, really cute?
Girl, I got so many pictures like that, and a lot of them have wigs on, okay? Your grandmother didn't have these type of wigs. Girl, I didn't even have these type of wigs when I first started out. But girl, as time evolves, things get better, okay? So, I'm glad I don't have these moments now. I mean, like, I will look at my pictures and be like, why, girl, why you wear your eyebrows like that 2 years ago? Like, pictures from 2 years ago, I will say this to myself. Like, I mean, I guess it was the era of nice, thick, wide eyebrows. Girl, I like them natural. Just leave them as they are, just like this, okay? My first wigs, they have been around long enough to know the deal about how to make a wig look good. They got like that new magical lace. Honey, I say it's magical because it disappears at the sight of looking at it. You know what I'm saying? You put it on and it's just gone, okay? So this one right here is a nice curly one. This is not like silky. It's a silky texture, but it's a nice silky texture. Like, you know how you have some silky that's just overly silky and it's just so shiny, and it's just so silky that it won't be full. The curls are like they just don't get, you know, curly like that. Well, it's not one of those. This is the air lace front, which is nice thin lace. It still melts, baby. You still gonna wonder if it's there, okay? And natural hairline already bleached for me. Look at that, girl. Okay, look at that. Look at that lace. So you see that tinted color? That meant it was already bleached for your girl. I ain't had to do nothing but just cold wash it with. Whoo, child. I got 3 wigs in one day. And when I tell you that I didn't have to bleach near one of them, I was so effing happy. Okay? And then the next day I got another wig and I was like, are you kidding me? Like, are you really kidding me? So this is what I'm talking about. It's really great to have like a wig you ain't got to do nothing to. So anyway, I'm going to start talking. We just going to jump into this and I will see y'all in a second.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the app, better pay up. Spending time wind down, what it's take out. And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I gave him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my ways. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. Man. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them. Leave them on red, I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby cause I always stay. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my ways. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
I could take pictures in this wig all day long. Okay, this wig is gorgeous. This wig is so pretty. Like I can't really even describe the hair texture, but it's just so pretty. It's not. You can tell that it's not like that silky, shiny, silky. The curls are just so juicy. This girl look okay, honey. I just had to take like a million pictures. And normally you don't need any type of baby hairs with wigs, but this one just called for just this little swoopage right here. I just had to put that little swoopage right here. It just was calling me. It was like,
girl, just please put us just right there. You know, just put us right there so that way your forehead don't look so long like this.
girl, this is what it was telling me. But plus, it just was gonna give me like that look that I wanted. So I just needed it right there, just right there, honey, just right there. You know, I didn't do that great on the sideburn hairs today, but it is what it is. It's all good, you know. But this wig is beautiful. Okay, my first wigs, they came through. This is definitely summer approved. This remind me of like something beachy. You gotta put on something beachy with this look, okay? Something tropical. This is tropical hair, okay? This is when the storm is all quiet. This is tropical hair, baby. Air lace because it's light and thin, so you can look really cute in the summertime and your head could breathe, but you got that beachy vibe going on. Like I'm feeling beachy vibes, tropical vibes, vacation hair. This is the type of hair where you can make it really big if you wanted to because of the feel of it, or you can tame it. So right now it's at its tame state, okay? Quiet storm. but this thing could definitely get out of hand, baby, and give you like a hurricane for your money, okay? They came through with this. This unit is beautiful. I was really expecting it to be like a silky, stringy type of hair. You definitely want to check out Myfirstwig. I'm gonna put on a tropical vibe, outfit. We're gonna see how it roll with this hair. Do it like it's your B-day, okay? I will leave all the information in the description box below. Let me know what you think of this one. This one is easily to be pinned up if you wanted to. If you didn't want it all in your face, like so, because it's just a lot of hair, then you can definitely pin it back. But I will see y'all on the next one. Let's check out this tropical vibe at the end, baby.